Hello. This video is going to demonstrate how to create a social network using Ning. So you want to go to www.ning.com, and this is the screen that you'll first show up with. Once you're here, if you have an account, you go here to sign in. If you don't have an account, you want to go here to join now and fill out the simple form, and then you'll be a member. I'm already a member, so I'm going to go to sign in. It's asking my email address. This is the email address I used when I signed up. My password, and sign in. Okay, and this is the screen you get. It comes up with all the networks that I'm currently a member of or networks that I've created. Okay, and for this demonstration, we want to create a new network. So go here to create a Ning network. Okay, you need to name your network. So I'm going to name my network the Intro to Management. Okay, and then I have to pick a web address. This will be the address that people use to access the social network. So I want to go with Management 300 USM. Okay, I'm going to create that network. Okay, it wants me to describe my network. I can choose public or private. If I choose public, then anybody could access it, join it, or see it. And since it's for a class, I think I'll choose private. However, if I were putting together a network for people interested in gardening or photography, I would definitely want that to be public. So description, I'm just going to type something in here. This is the social network for Management 300 at the University of Southern Mississippi. Okay. And you can put in keywords. This is if you want someone to be able to find your network if it were public. Since it's not, I won't worry about that. I'll go here, United States, zip code, and it automatically comes up with your city, Gettysburg, Mississippi. So I click Next, and now it comes up with the basic template for how your social network will look. Okay, this is the layout. Okay, that looks okay. Click Next. Now I have to choose a theme, and there are many themes preloaded in Ning, and there are some pretty good ones, so you can go through and kind of look at them and find something that you like. Maybe goes along with your theme. I'm going to choose this one. And you can change your theme later. If you decide, I really don't like those colors, you can decide later to go to another theme. You can customize your theme here, all kinds of options and colors and all that. I'm just going to accept all the defaults, since I think they do a pretty good job. So we're going to launch, and now it's giving me my name, and here it is. Okay, I want to get rid of this part, and this is my basic shell. So at this point, I can do several things. I could come over here, I can invite people, and I want to do that because this is a private network. The only way people are going to come in is if I invite them. And I can do that by using my email address book, or I can enter them manually if I want. So I can enter them here manually, put in a comma, and then it will send them an email and invite them to come in and be part of the network. Very simple. Okay. So I can go to my page, and this is a page where each person kind of has their personalized information, and they can change this if they'd like. Okay, because there's not a lot in here since we just created it. I could put in a message to all of the members. If I want to see my members, I can click on members, which I'm the only member right now. I can upload photos and videos here. It's really quite easy. If I want to upload a video, I would just go to add videos. I can add videos directly from my computer, or I can go to YouTube, and I can enter a YouTube URL, and I can put a video on my social network so that my students can see. Okay, I can go here to manage. This is where I change things about my social network. Let's just dismiss that. If I go here to features, I can change the template. If I go down to appearance, I can choose a new color scheme. If I go to feature controls, I can, all kinds of things I can set here. Okay, so if I go back to my main page, I can send all my members an email. I can go here to my inbox. I can compose an email and send it to one or more people, through Ning. That's also a great feature. I'll show you an example of one that I have content in. If you click here, you'll go back to that main page with all of your networks. And here is an example of one that's currently being used. You have to enter your password again. It's a little redundant. Okay, so here's one that I'm currently using for a class I'm teaching. You can see those are all my members. It has all the latest activity. I put in a link to my website here so students can go get course content. I have a forum discussion here where I'll post a question and my students will discuss it and discuss it with each other. You can add widgets, which I added here. I added a Dilbert cartoon. It's a human resource class. I like to look at Dilbert. Some students have added pictures. Here's where I've added a couple of videos for my students to look at. So that's what a network would look like that's pretty active and pretty full of things going on. So I hope that gives you an idea of how easy it is to set up a Ning network and the various things you can do with one once you set it up. Thank you and good luck.
Yes.